Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomidegraphix. In this video, you'll be learning how to create name effect using AI, as you can see on your screen right now. I'll be teaching you how to do it, then also showing you the prompt. So watch this video to the end as I show you the steps on how to do it. Now the first thing you have to do now is go to your Google Chrome, as you can see. Now the next step is to type Bing image creator. I repeat, Bing image creator. Now type it, then click on search. As you can see, I've tapped it and click on search. So the first website there, as you can see, free AI image generator, Bing image creator. Then that's it, that first one. You click on it. Now I'm in the Bing environment. That is the Microsoft Bing. So if this is your first time, you have to register with your email. So after you've done that, you can see that is my profile. Then you can change the theme. That's everything you need to know about that. So before we move to the next stage, let me explain something real quick. As you can see, each day you have 15 coins. So when you type the prompt or you paste the prompt, then click on surprise me, 1 coin is deducted. 1 coin is deducted. So you have that space to type in or paste your prompt. Then surprise me, that's after you are done. So let me paste the prompt. I've already copied that, so paste. So I've pasted the prompt, as you can see. Then click on create to create 4 different images. So I'll click on create. As you can see, let me show you, that's it. I'll click on create now. So it's creating. As you can see now, it's going to create 4 different images. So from that images, I'm going to choose the one I like. Wow, as you can see, 4 different images. So let me check it one by one. Wow, look at this, so lovely. Wow, look at the name as it's glowing. Now the other one, let me check. I don't like this. Wow, look at this too. Angel, look at the wings, look at the golden effect. Let me check it, another one too. Okay, this. So I'll also be showing how to download it too. For example, I love this one, so I want to download it. So what I'm going to do, I'll click on it now. So look at this, the image. So these 3 dots, you click on these 3 dots here, then click on it. As you can see, download. So let me show you download. So as you can see, so click on download. So download the file, downloaded already. So you can click on open to open the file in your gallery. So that's it on how to download any image you like. So I also did some name. I did angel, so I also show you how to do this. So I also do for noir too. Wow, look at this name, look at the crown, look at the sparkling gold diamonds. So that's it. So I love this one. As you can see, you can also zoom in if you want. So noir, another one again. So I love these two as well. Wow, look at the sparkling diamonds and the name in golden shape. So another one. So I can also download it too as well. So if you want to download this too, I love this too. Let me download this too as well. So another name I did too. I did for another one. I did another one for Dave. Look at the fonts. So as you can see, they have different fonts. Look at this one too. Dave, look at the font, is different. Look at the design, look at the diamond. So they are different. So that's it. So you can also tweak the prompt to check on to get some different fonts and designs. So I also did another design too. Look at this too. I did another design for Linda. Look at this one too, Linda. So sometimes it might not be correct. So look at this. So wow, this is lovely. Look at the name, look at the sparkling diamond, look at the crown. So everything is good. So I tweak the prompt too. So when I show you the prompt, so you can also tweak yours too. Then the last one I did for Susan. Look at this too. Look at the front, is lovely. Look at the golden crown. Let me show you another one. This one too as well, Susan. So but this is not correct. It's also good too as well. So as you can see, that's how I did it. So for the prompt, I will show you the prompt now. So check out the prompt. There are other related videos on AI that you can watch, as you can see on your screen right now, on how to use AI to create name effect with your phone. If you are still watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now. Then after you've done that, the next step is to click on the arrow there, then click on the bell icon for you to get all notification anytime I drop video related to this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.